Hey, well done on achieving yet another module. Today I kind of wanted to talk about the concept of deep work. There's a really good book called Deep Work that I recommend everybody read actually, and it goes into like what consists of deep work and how do you get into a deep state of flow where you're able to produce your best work. Now, I think this concept of deep work is also really applicable to learning. Like when you're in flow, when you're really using your brain, that state is so precious. And what I often see is that sometimes people think that, just because you're sitting at your desk, just because you're putting in the hours and you're staring at the screen, that you're learning. You're probably not, right? Like, unless you are actively engaged, unless you are, your brain is fresh and you're making those connections and things are like just making sense for you and you're able to understand what's going on and you're able to apply it. If you're sitting there like hungover, sleep deprived, just had a pizza for lunch, even if you just sit there and for many hours, it's not gonna achieve the results that you want. So one of the things that I'm really disciplined about is work and play is play. So what I try to do is that when I'm sitting down to work, I am at 95%, if not 100% focused on what it is that I'm doing. I'm not really thinking about what am I going to eat later on? What shall I do for fun? And I'm just trying to put all my attention on this one thing. Now, when I'm actually relaxing, like when I have time off work, I try to not think about work at all. Like, I won't think about, I have this thing tomorrow which I have to do, or maybe I should just try doing a little bit of this work or that work. No, try to make sure that when you are sitting down to work, that's all you think about. And when you're having your relaxation time, that's all you do. This way, if you become more disciplined around this, you'll find that your brain actually gets into the rhythm. And when it sits down, it's actually doing work rather than just sort of pretending to work, right? So have a go at that and see if that helps you.